friends, and welcome to another day of Indigenous Kindergarten Math Scholars. I'm Miss Olivia, and let's get started. All right, everyone have their listening ears on? All right, let's start with our calendar. So it's October, and it is the 4th. You see our little pumpkin friend hanging out on the 4th. It's Monday. All right, so October 4th, and it's Monday. So let's go through the days of the week. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All right, let's go to our seasons. We have fall, we have winter, spring, and summer. Let's go to the months. All right, let's start with January. All right, everyone say January. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, let's go to our coin. We have a new coin this week. All right, this is a quarter, and it is worth 25 cents. All right, look at the quarter. And down below, we have a display of a quarter. Okay. All right. So if everyone can go into their pencil box and pull out your number line. So everyone pull this out, have it in front of you, and we're going to count 0 to 10 together. All right, let's start. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, on our number line. All right, let's go back to our math meeting board, to our clock, and the hand is pointing at 9, so it is 9 o'clock. All right, let's get our washable marker, and we're going to write 9 o'clock down here. So we're going to make a 9, and it's 9 o'clock. All right, let's count the numbers on our clock. Everyone ready? All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, let's go to our hundreds chart. Everyone get out your hundreds chart. Pull your hundreds chart out. All right, and we're gonna count to 10, just like we did on our number line. But let's count to 10 on our hundreds chart. All right, let's start with 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, awesome. Let's go to our number of the day. So our number of the day is 9. 9, so everyone get your pointer finger. I'm going to use this one, and we're going to draw in the air a 9. Just like on our worksheets on Friday, we traced the number 9. All right. Okay, so while I turn around our math meeting board, I want everyone to pull out their lesson 10 worksheets and centers. All right, so everyone have those folders out while I turn around the board. All right, so this is our center for today, and it's number word match. So everyone should have this in front of them. And in your folder with your center, you will have 3 baggies. So all of these cards came in these 3 baggies, all right? This is mine, and I just pulled out all the cards that have dots, that have the drum with the dots in them, and then just the numbers. All right, so I put mine in separate columns. All right, so our center, the directions say flip over a card, count the objects, match the number of items to the number word. All right, so this is our worksheet that we're going to be doing today. All right, you see all the number words? And today I'm going to be working with the dots. All right? Okay, so I'm just going to be using the dots today, and I'm just gonna pick a random one, and let's go with this one. So this one has 3 dots. We have 1, 2, and 3, and we're gonna look on our center worksheet, and we're gonna find the word 3. All right, so this one says 5. Next to it says 3. So since there are 3 dots on this card, we're gonna place it here with the word 3. All right, let's pick another card. Let me pick this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dots, so we're gonna look for the word 9. All right, this says 2, that says 6. This one says 9. All right, since we have 9 dots, we're gonna put it under the word 9. All right, let's go to our next card. Let's pull this card. Let's count the dots. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 dots. Let's look for the word 6 on our worksheet. So we have 5, we have 8, we have 2, we have 6. 6 right there. So we're gonna place our card that has 6 with the word 6. All right, let me pick this card. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 dots, so we're gonna look for the word 7. All right, so this one says 1. This is 10, 4, 7. So we're gonna place our card right there. All right, let's pick this card. Count the dots. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 4 dots, so we're gonna look for the word 4. All right, so this one says 1, 10, 4 right here. So we're gonna place the card where it says 4. All right, let's go pick this card. There's 1 big dot on this card, so let's look for the word 1 on our worksheet. So we have 5, we have 8. I see 1 right here. So we're gonna place the 1 dot under the word 1. All right, let's count the dots on this card. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 dots. So let's look for the word. All right, so we have 5, we have 8, we have 2, down here, 10. So we're gonna place that where it says 10 because there's 10 dots. All right, let's pull this card. There's 1 and 2. There are 2 big dots on this card. So let's look for the word 2. And I see it right here. So we're gonna place this card under the word 2 because there's 1, 2 dots. All right, let's pick this card. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots on this card. Let's look for the word 5. All right, our last 2 empty slots. This one says 8, and this one says 5. So we're gonna place that right there. All right, let's go to our last card. Let's count the dots on our last card. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 dots on this card, and we're gonna place it where it says 8. All right, and we're done. So this is how your center should look after we filled in all the boxes with the number words. All right, and you have these 2 extra with the drums with the dots in them, and then the numbers. So you guys can do this at home for extra practice. I just showed you how to do them with the dots. All right, so you have these 2 that you can try at home. All right, so let's go to our worksheets. Okay, so we're gonna have paint and trace. So everyone get paint and trace right in front of you. And then in your pencil box, I want you to take out your dot marker and your pencil. All right, so have this right by you with your paint and trace worksheet. All right, Miss Olivia will wait for you to get those out. All right, so paint and trace. Let's read the directions. Using the dot marker, paint the number of circles. Use a pencil to trace the numbers. All right, we know how this worksheet goes, right? Yeah, so let's get our dot marker and we're gonna dot, what's the number on the worksheet? 10. So we're gonna fill in the dots. We're gonna fill in 10 dots. All right, so let's open our dot marker and let's count and fill in the dots, all right? So let's start. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We filled in 10 circles. They're all filled. All right, everyone got their pencil in their hand. Have your pencil in your hand. And we're gonna trace the number 10. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna start with the number 1. So we're just going to do a number 1. And then we're gonna do a 0. A 1 and a 0 make 10. Let me trace 10. All right, let's do it again. So we're gonna go straight down, line straight down for 1, and we're going to make a circle, which will make a 0, and we have 10. All right, let's do it without any dots or any practice. Let's do it ourselves, all right? So let's start with the dot mark. We're gonna go straight down, and then we're going to come over here with this other black dot, and we're gonna make a circle, which is gonna be a 0, and we have 10. All right, let's do another one. Let's do this one. So get your dot marker again. You're gonna open it, and we're gonna fill in 10 circles. All right, let's start. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, get your pencil in your hand again, and we're going to trace 10 3 more times. All right, let's start. 1 straight down, and a 0. 10. 2 more, let's go. 1, 0, 10. All right, one more time. Start at the black dot, 1 straight down, see the second black dot, and we're gonna make a circle, it'll be 0, and that's 10. 2-digit number, 10. All right, I did 2 with you. You guys can do these other 2 for extra practice, and then we can work on to our another worksheet, which is write a number word. All right, so have this worksheet right in front of you with all these beautiful animals. All right, and for this worksheet, you're just gonna need your pencil. So everyone have your pencil ready and get ready to write, and then we can read the directions. All right, so write a number word. The directions say, write the number of objects for each set. Use the word bank to help. So right here, you can see right here is the word bank. Has all our words in them, our number words. So we have the number word 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so let's count these birds right here. Okay, so they say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there are 6 birds. Let's look in our word bank to help us. And we see the number word 6, which is the first one, and we're going to write 6 because there are 6 birds. All right, write 6 right there, and we're just gonna cross this off because we already used that one. All right, let's go to the sheep. Let's count the sheep. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sheep. Let's go to our word bank. We have 7, 8, 9, and we have 10. So we're going to write 10 on this line. All right, so we cross off 10. All right, and then we're going to skip the horses and we're going to go to the bears. All right, let's count how many bears we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 bears. So we're going to go to our word bank and we're going to see 9 right here. And we're going to write the word 9 because there are 9 bears. All right, and then we're going to cross that off. All right, I did 3 with you. I want you guys to do the other 2 for extra practice, and then we can move on to our next worksheet, which is number words. So everyone have this worksheet right in front of them, and the directions say cut and paste. So we're gonna need our scissors and we're gonna need our glue. So everyone have your scissors and your glue stick out because we're gonna be needing these supplies. All right. So I'm going to take my worksheet off the board and I'm going to cut this section out. The hands with their fingers up. All right. So I'm just going to cut this piece out. You cut this piece out and then we can start. All right, let me put this back on. And we're gonna cut the hands out. Cut on the dotted line. Okay. You can cut these yourselves, or if you have your parent with you, you can let them help you cut with them. Just have all of these hands cut out. Right there. All right, so I had all of mine cut out, and we're gonna look at our worksheet, all right? So we see some numbers, we see 6 through 10. All right, so I'm gonna pick a random piece of hands. All right, let's look at this set. All right, we're gonna count the fingers. All right, let's see how many fingers are up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 fingers up, so we're gonna go to the column that has 8. We see 8 right here. So we're gonna get our glue, put some glue on here, and we're gonna put that right there. All right, let's do 2 more. All right, I picked this one. Let's count the fingers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 fingers up. So let's go to the column that has 10. So we see 10 right here, just like we did in paint and trace. 10. So we're gonna get our glue, put some glue in the back of this, and we're gonna place that where it says 10. All right, let's do another one. All right, let's count the fingers on this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers are up. Let's go to the 6th column. There's 6 right here. And we're gonna glue that one right here. All right. So you have 2 more. I would like you guys to do that one for extra practice, and that was today with our centers and worksheets. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with our math meeting and our centers and worksheets, and I'll see you on the Wednesday. All right? Okay, bye.